and welcome to this new video. We are going to show you how to solve this Olympiad problem, the system of equation with two equations. The first equation is x cubed plus y cubed equal 1, and the second equation is x power 4 plus y power 4 equal 1. So we should have simultaneously the two equations. So solving a system of equation of x and y means we need to find real pairs of number x and y satisfying both equation 1 and 2. First of all, we observe that x is between -1 and 1, and the same manner we have y is between -1 and 1. So from equation 2, since both x power 4 and y power 4 are non-negative, so x power 4 is non-negative. It means that y power 4, which is equal to 1 minus x power 4, is less than 1. That is because x power 4 is non-negative. Then we have what? We have that y is between -1 and 1. So that's the first double inequality, and similarly we have x which is between -1 and 1 with a similar situation. So the second situation is situation that reveal that it's obvious that couple 0 1 and 1 0 1 0 couple x 1 and 1 0 are two set of solution, and now we can consider the solution in the remaining range. So the first range is the remaining range is 1 x between -1 strictly and 0, and we have 0 x between 0 and 1. So we have these two conditions, x between -1 and 0 and x between 0 and 1. So that's the two remaining range that I was talking about previously, because we have demonstrated that x is between -1 and -2. It means that we can divide this into two ranges, x between -1 and 0 and x between 0 and 1. So that leads us to the condition C, in which we suppose that x is between -1 and 0. When x is between -1 and 0, it means that x cubed is how x cubed is negative. So when x cubed is negative, means that y cubed, which is equal to 1 minus x cubed, is more than 1. It means that y cubed is more than 1, which is the contradiction with the hypothesis that y is less than 1. That's the contradiction with one of our hypotheses. So the remaining condition or the remaining range is when we have 0 less than x and less than 1. 0 is between x is between 0 and 1, and we have y which is between 0 and 1. So x cubed is more than x power 4 due to the fact that x is between 0 and 1, and we also have y the same condition, y power 3 or y cubed, which is more than y power 4. Hence we have x power 3 plus y power 3, which is more than x power 4 plus y power 4. Then it is impossible that we have both x plus y equal 1 and x plus 4 s power 4 plus x power 3 equal to 1 because of this inequality. This is another contradiction, which means that the only solution of this system are 0 1 and 1 0. So that's it for this video, and we hope it have been very helpful for you anytime soon.